In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper trading balance in TradingView. Let's start by opening TradingView and showing the paper trading panel. Head over to your browser and navigate to tradingview.com/chart with the symbol set to NASDAQ Apple. This will load the standard chart view where the paper trading tools live. Once the chart is loaded, look down at the bottom panel and click Paper Trading. In some cases, the bottom tab may show up as Account Manager instead. If that happens, simply click Account Manager and it will open the same area. Take a quick moment to confirm that the panel is displaying your TradingView paper account balance and not a connected live broker account. This is important because we only want to adjust the simulated balance, not anything tied to real funds. Now let's open the paper account settings. Inside the paper trading panel, locate your paper account name and click the gear icon sitting right next to it. If, instead of the full settings window, you see a small account menu pop up, just click Account Settings inside that menu to continue. In the settings window that appears, find the Reset Account option. This is the control we'll use to apply a new starting balance. Next, we'll reset the paper account with a new balance. Go ahead and click Reset Account to open the Reset window. Click into the Account Balance field. Select the existing amount that's currently filled in so it's highlighted and ready to be replaced. Now type in your new preferred paper balance. In this example, the balance being used is $25,000, so go ahead and enter that number into the field carefully. Leave the currency setting exactly as it is, and do the same for the leverage setting. We're not changing either of those, only the balance. When you're ready, click Reset. TradingView may show a confirmation warning to make sure you actually want to wipe the account and start over. If that warning appears, click Reset or Confirm inside it to proceed. After a moment, the paper trading panel will refresh, and your account balance will now display the new simulated balance, such as $25,000 in the selected account currency. Keep in mind that this reset only affects TradingView's paper trading simulator. It does not move real money and it does not change anything on a live broker account. Congratulations, you successfully changed your paper trading balance.